What's up, guys? Be sure and like and subscribe. I got this little Murray right here. Got a good deal on it, so I'm gonna see if can't get you guys a little review. I think I need to take the clutch cover off and maybe oil it up, because when you start it up, it really wants to creep on you, boys. So I'm gonna mess with that, give you guys what I think of it, and maybe compare it to another old bike or two. And mini bike video. It's been a while. So mini bike, guys. As far as my bike build goes, everything's waiting for the top end to get back. I can't finish my motor mounts. I can't finish my radiator mount or my exhaust mount until I know how that jug's gonna fit in there. So I'm waiting on it to get back, but hopefully you guys will appreciate this. Wicked! This thing didn't have an air filter. I looked around. That's about the smallest I had, and it seems to clamp on. I know you savage mini bike guys want to see the top speed on that mother. With me on it, probably 18, 20 mile an hour, but Blake's riding it. All right, hammer down, man. I'll see you in a minute. I just filled her up.
I ain't coming back till I do 60.
All right. Oh, there we go. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
33 miles per hour.
That ain't bad for 3.5 horsepower. It's a pretty bike. It is rugged. I wouldn't worry about breaking it too much, although it makes a little rattling noise. I mean, this is cool, and it does bounce around, so I guess it, Rolo, you're not riding it. So I guess it does work, but guys, that's a pizza pie on the back right there. Daggoner. You really think you want to know? Are you sure you guys want to know what I really think about this thing? Like, I'm afraid I'm gonna hurt some feelings. Me and that, I can't imagine that thing brand new cost over 600 bucks. Let's consider that. It was a lot cheaper than your Honda, than your Yamaha. I've had a lot of stuff, guys. I ain't taking that to ride anywhere. So like I said, I might hurt some feelings on this one. I ain't taking that anywhere to ride it. It being faster wouldn't even help. That would be worse probably. It's just stiff as hell. It's short. Maybe if the carburetor was a little bit better, it would be funner, but I don't like the centrifugal clutch. Look it, there's nothing flat out here. None of this is flat. It might look flat in the video. It's sloped. We go out in them woods, nothing's flat. And you're kicking this thing like a skateboard. You could probably score one of these for $400 or $500, I guess, or $200, $100, $75. I think your money would be better spent elsewhere, unless you just want that. Unless you had that, unless there's the nostalgia factor where you had that when you were younger or something. I can't. It's not the funnest thing to ride, guys. That's just my honest opinion. I hope y'all can take it. There's a lot cooler mini bikes out there. That thing obviously doesn't have suspension, and it came that way, but daggone. I've been riding it for the past 15-20 minutes. Let it simmer on the deal. We're gonna give that 1.5 out of 10 stars. Man, if that little Murray's all you got to ride, your ass is gonna be in worse shape than Joe Exotics. That's just the fact.